Today is August 2nd. I'm Barbara.
I am Vicky.
And this is Did you see in the news last week that the Pope, or the leader of the Catholic Church, was here in Edmonton? He was giving a formal apology to the Indigenous peoples in the role the church played in the residential schools. This was an opportunity for all Canadians to reflect on our history and to acknowledge that the Indigenous peoples were the first people on this land.
Our trip to the Rutherford was excellent. It is a good opportunity for students to learn about the cultural history of Canada.
Right? It was a great trip. Speaking of cultural history, let's hear what some of our students shared with us about their culture.
Hello, my name is Sara Fujie. I'm from Japan, so I would like to talk about Japanese food washoku. Washoku is a traditional food culture in my country.
Hello everyone, this is a Palestinian kufiyya. It's black and white as you see. It's worn around the neck or on the head with something called ikal. The Palestinian kufiyya becomes a national Palestinian symbol.
Thanks for sharing, everyone. That was awesome.
Hey Barbara, Monday was holiday. Did you go to the Heritage Days?
Yes, I love Heritage Days.
And what was your favorite part?
Oh, that is so hard to answer. I love taking in the many performances. For example, we saw the Japanese drummers, and that was amazing. I also enjoy watching the dancers. So the stages with many European dancers was really great. So it was really great to watch the performances and listen to the music from many different countries. It's a short week this week. What is our theme, Vicky?
This week we will talk about active living. How do you stay active?
Okay, so what I like to do for exercise is play golf, but because it's wintertime, I can't play golf outside. So here I am playing golf inside. This is my exercise when it's wintertime. All right.
Hey Barbara, today we have something special. What is it?
Oh, I'm so happy you asked. Today we have an exciting presentation by Parks Canada. They're coming here to tell us about wildlife in Alberta. The presentation starts at 1, but be sure to come early so they can start on time. Where will the presentation be, Vicky?
Start this week and until the rest of August, your SEC classroom will be moved back to the classroom J on the second floor. Don't go to the wrong classroom.
Now it's a short week, so we will continue with our regular schedule. On Wednesday, Kahoot Cup.
And the Read and Write workshop.
On Thursday, Conversation Club. Hey Vicky, what's happening on Friday?
Good question. So this Friday, we are going to have a picnic in the Kingsman Park.
Excellent, I love picnics. What are we going to do?
We will have some food. You can bring your own snack and we will play some games. Besides, there's a spray park. So if you want, you can bring extra clothes to change and play in the water.
Perfect. Be sure to sign up and join us for our picnic on Friday at Kingsman Park.
Before we go, we would like to welcome our new students from Japan and Mexico. Be sure to say hi to them because they will join us in the rest of the summer.
Welcome, CSGC students. We also have another warm welcome to the newest member of our Student Engagement Center team. I would like to introduce Shona Nichols and welcome her to the English Language School.
Hi, I'm Shona Nichols. I'm going to be joining the English Language School at the start of August. But right now, I'm still on vacation. Let me show you this beautiful lake in Saskatchewan called Madge Lake. Let me tell you 3 things that I love. So 1, I love Madge Lake. 2, I love ice cream, and I eat a lot of ice cream here. And 3, I love my cats, Kevin and Steve, and they're actually at the lake with me. So when we meet in August, I want to know, what do you love? Tell me about yourself. I look forward to getting to know you.
We hope you have a wonderful week, everyone.
Have
Bye.
a great day.
Okay.